Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn about preparation of consolidated statement of financial position. The basic steps in preparing consolidated statement of financial position are: number 1, combine line items of holding and subsidiary, namely non-current asset of holding and subsidiary, current asset of holding and subsidiary, and liability of holding and subsidiary. Second, eliminate the investment in subsidiary with shares and reserves of subsidiary on the date of acquisition. And number 3, add the balance of retained profit of subsidiary to the balance of retained profit of the holding company. Let us look at this example. On 1st January 2020, Big Berhad acquired 100% of the ordinary shares of Small Berhad for 5,895,000. On the date of acquisition, the retained profit of Small Berhad was 895,000. By acquiring majority shares in Small Berhad, Big Berhad becomes a holding company, whereas Small Berhad becomes a subsidiary company. They together form a group of companies. Big Berhad is required to prepare a consolidated statement of financial position for Big Berhad Group. So, what are we going to do? Let us follow the steps in previous page. Given below are the statement of financial position for Big Berhad and Small Berhad. Let us read both the financial statement of Big Berhad and Small Berhad. The statement of financial position of Big Berhad comprises of items of non-current asset represented by property, plant and equipment amounting to 16,280,400, whereas Small Berhad, the property, plant and equipment is 9,701,000. Big Berhad is having an investment in Small Berhad amounting to 5,895,000, and it has also current asset of 1,795,600. Whereas for Small Berhad, it has current asset of 856,000. Total asset for Big Berhad is 23,972,000, and Small Berhad 10,557,000. The equity and reserve of Big Berhad comprise of ordinary share capital of 11 million and retained profit of 12,096,000, whereas equity and reserves of Small Berhad comprise of 5 million ordinary shares and 5,104,000 retained profit. Both Big Berhad and Small Berhad have current liabilities. The current liabilities comprise of trade payables. Big Berhad has trade payables of 876,000, and Small Berhad has a trade payable of 453,000. Now let us follow the steps and let us prepare the consolidated statement of financial position. As mentioned in the first step, line items of the parent are combined with line item of the subsidiary. For example, in this case, the property, plant, equipment of the holding company, 16,280,400 is added to property, plant and equipment of the subsidiary, Small Berhad, 9,701,000. So the total property, plant and equipment of the group is 25,981,400. Next, we combine the current asset of the parent and of the subsidiary amounting to 1,795,600 plus subsidiary 856,000. So total current asset of the group is 2,651,600. Total asset of the group is 28,634,000. 28,634,000. And then we have current liabilities of Big Berhad and Small Berhad. The account payable of Big Berhad is 876,000 and account payable of Small Berhad is 453,000. Altogether, it is 1,329,000. Next, the equity, reserve, and liabilities. Equity of the group comprised of ordinary shares of the holding company, that is 11 million, whereas the group retained profit, group retained profit is amounting to 12,096,000 of the holding company plus 5,104,000 of the subsidiary minus the profit existing on the date of acquisition, 895,000. So altogether, the group retained profit is 16,305,000. Another thing to mention, that is step 2, that is elimination. What is meant by elimination? Elimination here is actually the elimination of investment in subsidiary. We can see the arrow. Initially, the investment in subsidiary is put here. But now, in the elimination process, we are going to debit ordinary share capital of small, 5 million, debit retained profit of small, 895,000, and credit investment in small, 5,895,000. So basically, with this simple example, we have completed preparing the consolidated statement of financial position for Big Berhad and its subsidiary, Small Berhad. That is all for today. Assalamualaikum.